पहले थोड़ी सी शादी करके आते हैं।
Bro, I love it. Like अगर हम अभी बात करें तो हम obviously एक दूसरे को देख के बात करेंगे.
टिंग टिंग टिंग
Yeah,
टिंग।
and then they'll put that Ishkwala love cover. Hi guys, this is Kanchi. You're watching yet another episode of Talking Stage, and the person that I have with me today is nothing but a pataka who takes a craft बहुत शिद्दत से. We have Radhika Madan with us.
Thank you for the introduction.
Thank you so much for being here. You look.
You look.
You ate and left no crumbs.
Love it.
Thank you so much for being here and welcome to Talking Stage. Do you know what that means?
Talking stage like in a relationship?
Yeah.
Oh.
So we'll see where it goes by the end of it.
Sure.
But congratulations on Sarfira.
Oh, thank you so
you were
much.
so good and it felt like you just belonged there. There would be nobody but you on the screen is what I felt like.
Thank you.
How was this role different from others?
I'm a Delhi girl, Delhi ki ladki hu. So to play a Marathi character was quite challenging. To pick on Marathi was really exciting and challenging. Just her energy, her swag, the dialect. You know, her thinking was so beautiful. How she thought was so beautiful. So forward.
Yeah.
It was just inspiring. And you know what? She came into my life, Rani came into my life when I was actually going through a really rough time. I had finished doing a film called Sana, which exhausted me mentally and physically, and I was at a stage where I couldn't get out of bed. And then she came in as a breath of fresh air and just revived me and reminded me who I actually was.
Yeah.
Who I had forgotten that part of me.
Yeah.
So I just got reminded of that and I had a beautiful time living her.
You loved living her, we loved watching her, and I'm just so happy that you did that. But also, how was it on sets? And did you ever think that just a DU girl just will get an opportunity to be with Akshay Kumar on sets? How was that like?
No, I never thought that. So there's a thing which happens inside me, which I don't know is a good thing or not. So what happens is that when I'm shooting a film, I just forget who I'm shooting with. I think a very similar thing happened when I shot with Vishal Bhardwaj or with Irfan sir.
Yeah.
The same thing happened here when I'm shooting with him. I just see him as his character.
Yeah.
And it doesn't sink in. It sinks in when I see the trailer or the poster. And that's when I start bawling.
Yeah.
Or it sinks in when I see my name on the big screen. Like for Sarfira, it happened at the first screening in Delhi. My family and friends were there. Akshay sir was there. The producers were there. And like beginning में ऐसा आता है कि Akshay Kumar, Paresh Rawal, and Radhika Madan जब आया तो I started bawling. So it sinks in much later. I don't know why, but it helps me to just be in the scene and not take who they are outside seriously.
Yeah. Yeah.
And not get intimidated by their name and fame.
Yeah.
But later on, I do get intimidated when it sinks in.
Yeah, I get it because I don't process things when they happen either.
Yeah.
And it's so confusing because I would be jumping with joy about something that happened a year ago and my family and friends were like, एक साल हो गया इस बात को, relax.
I hear you.
Yeah, I get it. But I think it is a good thing because then when it's actually happening, because you don't process it, you just can't do whatever you want to without letting anything else affect you.
The stakes have always been so high for me. Like for me, it's like अगर इसमें 200% नहीं दिया, truthfully नहीं जी, तो आगे का पता नहीं क्या होगा.
Yeah.
So it's been survival for me.
Yeah.
From the past 8-9 years. It's like every project is a make or break. I don't know if I'll ever reach a place where I'll be like, हाँ मैं आ गई हूँ.
It's good that you don't think that so that you keep giving your best. But for me, I just want to tell you that you have arrived and you're here to stay.
Thank you.
But बहुत sweet हो गया and I have a beef with you.
Oh.
I was in a talking stage with Sunny Kaushal as well and I told him, उनको भी मैंने यही बोला था that why do you all play with our hearts like this? Like, you know, I was watching Shiddat and the thing is that sometimes I don't like to watch trailers so that I can go in, like, watch a movie without, like, an already, like, a stereotypical thing that I've already made up my mind, ye hoga, I don't want to think anything.
Lovely.
And I watch it and, after all of it has happened and, like, Chitta starts playing and you're like, okay, great, happy, okay, I deserve a happy ending too, wow. It's not even like you're preparing the audience. You are ulta adding to their delusions and be like, wait, we'll break your heart worse than you expected even if you saw it coming. And then you just break our hearts, like, why would you do that?
It's not us, it's the writers, it's the director. It also broke our hearts when we read it. I don't know, because I remember like when we were shooting, so बहुत कम लोगों को पता है, we started the shoot with चिट्टा. So the first half कुछ नहीं हमने shoot करा था, कोई love story नहीं shoot करी थी. The film started with चिट्टा. So हमें अपने mind के अंदर cook up करनी थी कि हम वो जीत चुके हैं, हमें प्यार हो चुका है, और ये मिलना है अब. When the last shot of Chitta was happening, it was a round trolley.
Yeah.
And he was just hugging me and he was just doing this. And everyone around the round trolley, my makeup artist is here, she was also there during Siddharth. And everyone started crying because everyone knew what was gonna happen. And we were also crying because it felt so beautiful कि हमें लगा कि मत shoot करो अगला वाला.
Yeah, रहने दो. Let's थोड़ा.
इधर ही खत्म कर देते हम.
Yeah. And but we were talking about how you're from Delhi, and in fact you're from Pitampura. You were born in Pitampura, and so have I. Like.
What?
Yeah.
कहाँ पीतमपुरा में?
I don't know if you would know, but like I live around the Rani Bagh
Bagh?
area. Yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah.
मैं वैशाली की हूँ.
अरे. See, so close.
मुनि मायाराम हॉस्पिटल.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah. So I've been in the same area, and I've like met a lot of people who have been from Delhi, but you were too close. And I was like, oh.
It's personal.
It's personal. And you went to DU. I also went to DU.
कौन से कॉलेज?
IPCW.
अरे.
And you went to JMC.
जी.
Do you still recall qualities of you, and you're like, oh, this is such a DU girl thing of me to do?
यार मैं फर्स्ट ईयर में छोड़ के चली गई थी. मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल गई थी बॉम्बे में फॉर माय टेलीविजन शो दैट आई डिड. आई थिंक किसी को पता ही नहीं था क्योंकि it all happened so quickly. Within 3 days I was out of Delhi and settled in Bombay. So मेरी college friends थी कि हाँ मंडे को मिलते हैं and मंडे को मैं टीवी पे आ रही हूँ. So it happened so quickly. For a year my teachers didn't know where I went. मेरी I think marksheet सब अभी JMC में ही है. But DU girl thing तो इतना नहीं पता मुझे. स्कूल वूल का ज़्यादा मैंने टाइम स्पेंड करा है नॉर्थ कैंपस के अराउंड जो अलग अलग टाइप की मैगियाँ मिलती हैं हमारी. बोर्ड्स के टाइम पे हमने बहुत खाई है चाय मैगी बस वॉक करना. मुझे चाट खाना बहुत पसंद था. तो तू पीतमपुरा की तो तेरे को गुलाब पता होगा.
या ब्रो. OG
बेस्ट चाट.
बेस्ट चाट.
सब बंगाली मार्केट बोलते हैं बट गोलगप्पे.
गुलाब इज वेयर इट.
सो आई थिंक मुझे रोज जितना मैं कहीं से भी आ जाऊँ हर शाम को मेरा पेरेंट होता था कि पापड़ी चाट और गोलगप्पे गुलाब के आने चाहिए. सो वो चीज रहती है वो मैं बॉम्बे में मिस करती हूँ.
व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट छोले भटूरा प्लेस?
यार सुंदर नगर में है. मतलब मेरे को बहुत सारे हैं. रामपाल के हैं. एक सुंदर नगर में है नाम नहीं याद आ रहा यार.
There's just I feel like everybody has that one छोले भटूरा place which is so close to them and it's such a.
मेरे को नाम ही नहीं याद आ रहा.
अब आप जब तक नहीं याद रहेगा तब तक it'll be like a.
अरे कौन से अपने?
नागपाल है.
नागपाल तो मैंने.
Then there's Bengali market which everybody says.
नागपाल के तो अच्छे हैं. एक और है मैं इंटरव्यू के एंड तक बताती हूँ. बहुत कमाल है उधर. एक घी का अचार भी मिलता है साथ में जो बहुत कमाल होता है. मेरे को it doesn't sound great but
I'm sure. Yeah.
मैं आपको बताती हूँ.
I feel like our entire childhood, like Pitampura childhood, was a different thing.
हाँ.
I feel like nobody can top that.
वो नहीं compete ही नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah, like just going to tuitions and then and by the way, I do want to tell you that I was like I only had home tuitions and one day I asked my father कि यार ये क्या मतलब है. Like everybody goes to tuitions and like they are like oh कल मैं ये करके आऊँगी उसके बाद मोमोज खाने चलेंगे this and that and मैं घर पे बैठी रहती हूँ पूरे दिन. What is this? And he said बेटा tuitions में पढ़ाई से ज़्यादा आशिकी होती है. तो आपको पढ़ाई करनी है या आशिक? And then you obviously wouldn't say the latter to your father. And I was like नहीं पढ़ाई करनी है तो घर पे पढ़ लो. So I didn't get that experience but
नहीं होती थी. पर मैं भी नहीं देखती थी. मुझे भी बहुत डांट पड़ती थी. मेरी मम्मी बड़ी पर्टिकुलर थी. एडवेंचर आइलैंड खोला था हमारे यहाँ पे.
या
तुम कहाँ कौन से रोलर कोस्टर्स पे जा रहे हो? एडवेंचर आइलैंड आओ. तो एडवेंचर आइलैंड खोला था. आई रिमेम्बर आई वाज गोइंग विद अ फ्रेंड टू एडवेंचर आइलैंड और उनको पता नहीं था एडवेंचर आइलैंड क्या है. और मैंने बोला कौन सा एडवेंचर जाना है तुम्हें? क्या एडवेंचर करना है तुम उस लड़के के साथ? मैंने बोला नहीं बस राइड्स है करके आ रहा हूँ.
राइड्स है सिर्फ. Weird how the meaning of that also changes when you grow up.
मैं इनोसेंटली राइड्स पे जा रही थी और बस वापस आई थी. मेरे को जाने नहीं दिया यार. बता.
सेम कि एंड मेरे घर पे तो ये कोई बात नहीं जिससे मिले उनको घर बुला लो.
हाँ मुझे भी ये बोलते थे.
घर पे मैं कैसे बात करूंगी? वो आप लोगों की बुराई करनी है. स्ट्रगल्स बतानी है अपनी.
मैं तो स्कूल में कुछ नहीं हुआ. मैं पढ़ाई करके डांस करती थी एंड पढ़ाई करती थी. मैंने तो याद आ गया मुझे.
What?
मेघराज की पूड़ियाँ.
But I'm pretty sure you've been there. But have you been to Bille Di Hatti?
Of course.
Yeah. OG. The halwa.
उफ बिल्ली पर मेघराज की पूरियां
I've not tried. I'll go.
बाकी सब में जाते रहते, मेघराज ट्राई कर ले एक बार.
ठीक है, done. I'll do that. But also we were talking about like I'm going with a friend situation, and I feel like when we are in school and growing up, it's such a big deal. It is in our heads only. It is such a big deal that I'm talking to this guy. He gave me his rough notebook. उसने मुझे घर अपनी होमवर्क की कॉपी लेके जाने के लिए दे दी. Bro, it's like we are committed now, and it's such a big deal, and the meaning changes. Like as you grow up, you're like, yeah, we are seeing each other, but I sort of like I'm still there only. Like I miss that era.
वो मेरा भी है. मैं I still write letters. बहुत मेरा तो बहुत old school प्यार चलता है.
But it means old school प्यार is great, but it also means ज़्यादा वाला breakup. Like, ज़्यादा दर्दनाक. शिद्दत वाला breakup. Yes. How do you deal with that?
कुछ नहीं, बर्बाद हो जाते हो, गाने सुनते हो. छन से जो टूटे को एक सपना. I think वो playlist already ready है अपनी. तो but मुझे लगता है कि वो आता है, उस कॉस्ट पे आता है. अगर आपको इतना प्यार चाहिए, आपको इतना पैशनेट सच्चा प्यार अगर आपको चाहिए, तो इट कम्स विद द कॉस्ट कि भाई अगर वो जाएगा तो उतना दर्द भी होगा. सो यू नीड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड. But it's a chance that you take, and I love taking that chance because I love love. I think it's beautiful.
Yeah, same. Like I love love, and I wrote something which said that after all, I am a 13-year-old and love is Disneyland. Because it's just this thing, and it's like
I know.
Yeah,
I know.
yeah,
I feel you.
Yeah, but coming to some Gen Z terms, because I hate this generation's way of dating, even though I'm in it. Unfortunately, you know now about talking stage, but the next one is called breadcrumbing.
Like leading somebody on.
Yeah, like you're throwing crumbs of attention at them, but you're not even like
committing fully.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Have you been the breadcrumber or are you the breadcrumbee?
नहीं, मैं तो अपना मेरे को अगर नहीं मिलता ओल्ड स्कूल में नहीं करती. मैं ये जो इन बिटवीन चीजें हैं, I can't deal with it. If I was okay with it, मैं कर लेती. But मैं नहीं करती. अगर मुझे दिख रहा होता है कि गेम्स चल रही हैं, तो नहीं है टाइम यार मेरे पास. नहीं है. मैं वेट कर लूंगी, बट मैं थोड़ा अपनी थिंकिंग वाला ही ढूंढूंगी.
And I hate the whole let's see where it goes. Because if you don't know where you want it to go, then it will never go that way.
हाँ, और वो live in the present. Present is all we have.
That is such a F-boy statement to
I know, right?
Like let's just, but we are here with each other right now.
Do you feel this?
I want to feel this forever. ये tension चल रही है मेरे दिमाग में भाई, तू जो भी सोच रहा है अभी.
But future किसने देखा? कल तुम और मैं मर सकते हैं, कुछ भी हो सकता है. But all we have is this gift, present.
And you know, right now it sounds so whatever, but at that moment, us being so delulu, we're like, yes,
wow,
he chose me to be with in the present
with.
Wow. If you're in that situation, just don't.
Not worth it.
Not worth it. But the next one is spy hunting.
Spy hunting.
Spy hunting.
Spy hunting.
Yeah.
I don't know this.
So basically, people who have had such bad breakups कि उनकी लाइफ में और पार्टनर से एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत कम हो गई हैं are called pies. Right? You felt real हो गया ज़्यादा. And other people who search for such partners who are pies ताकि उनको कम effort डालना पड़े is called pie hunting.
I love it. Nice.
Do you know of a pie hunter?
बहुत सारे. हाँ, मतलब सब गिव अप कर ही देते हैं यार कि क्या ही रखा है इसमें.
Yeah.
हाँ, इतना भी चलेगा. I think
इतना भी चलेगा.
Practicality का नाम दे देते हैं कि हम practical हो गए.
We are practical. Other two are very cute ones. One is called Pookie.
Pookie is what you call a bay, right? Like
I can call you also Pookie. Like you're so cute. You're such a Pookie like
Pookie.
that.
Oh.
Yeah. The next one is Girls Girl.
Yeah, girls.
Which
girls.
you are.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, you are. You are. She was Radhika was so good. I just want to say a shout out to that. My face was shining and whatever, and I didn't have powder, and she was like, "We'll help her," and she got like powder to whatever. So cute.
I got you, brother.
But I also feel like being a girls girl and female friendships are great because after a point you like, I just need.
Yeah.
I don't need my man. I don't need my family. I don't need my male friends, no matter how great they are. I just need that time to talk about the same things we've spoken about and laughed about a million things again.
हमें solution नहीं चाहिए. नहीं चाहिए हमें solution. जो भी सुन रहे हैं, हमें बस सुन लो.
Yeah.
मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं अदिति और मानवी. स्कूल से मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं. एक की शादी भी हो चुकी है, एक की होने वाली है. और हमारे इश्यूज स्कूल से अभी तक सेम है. सेम. रोज 2-3 दिन में सेम आ जाते हैं कि क्या होगा यार आगे समझ नहीं आ रहा. और हम तंग भी नहीं होते हैं. हम उतनी ही शिद्दत के साथ सोल्यूशन भी नहीं देते. बोलते हाँ ये सही बोल रही है. आई नो. मैं फैमिली के साथ थी कभी, तो मैं सेम चीज बोल रही थी कि पता है परसों भी इसी बारे में बात हो रही थी. 10 साल से इसी बारे में बात हो रही थी. आई वांट टू टेल ऑल मेन दैट समटाइम्स वी डोंट नीड सॉल्यूशंस. जस्ट empathy.
Yeah.
Nothing else. Just hear us out. Don't. If we want solutions, we'll ask for solutions. Right?
And also, like, I might be called like a man hater or whatever, but you really think if we need a solution, we'll come to you?
Brother.
Like the fact that हम बस तुम्हें सुनाना चाहते हैं उसी से बहुत है. Just उसी से privileged feel कर लो थोड़ा.
क्या बात है.
We don't need solutions and we certainly won't come to you when we need them. So just listen maybe sometimes. But how is Radhika as a girlfriend? How would you describe yourself as in a romantic relationship?
I'm very romantic. Very romantic. I love giving surprises. I'm very passionate, old school. As I told you, I love writing letters. I love making playlists for that person. पहले तो मैं CD burn करती थी जब हम छोटे थे.
Yeah.
But playlists या मुझे थोड़ा फिल्मी सरप्राइजेस देने पसंद है कि चांद सितारों पे नाम लिखवा दिए, स्टार खरीद लिया.
Yeah.
वैसा तो मैं बहुत OTT हूँ थोड़ी उस मामले में. मैं बड़ी हुई शाहरुख की फिल्में देख के बड़े हुए हैं यार. हम थोड़े से स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं हमारे भी.
Yeah, भाई बहुत है. And the thing is that today's generation can't even come halfway.
Yeah, and I love being loyal.
Yeah.
And sensitive. I think it's my superpower. I am sensitive. I am empathetic. I love being loyal. I love being that person's person.
Yeah.
मुझे थोड़ा फ्लेक्स करने में मजा आता है कि अगर कोई हिट भी कर रहा है मेरे को, मैं उसी के बारे में बात करूँ.
Yeah.
तो फ्लेक्स है मेरा कि भाई मुझे पता है मेरी बाउंड्रीज क्या है और मुझे अच्छा लगता है उसके बारे में सोचना अगर मैं किसी और के साथ भी हूँ. तो उस मामले में मैं अच्छी गर्लफ्रेंड हूँ यार.
Yeah, the thing is we become too loyal in situationships.
मैं सिचुएशनशिप्स में घुसती नहीं हूँ.
वो हो जाती है ना.
अगर जहाँ पे मुझे हल्की सी भी भनक लग रही होती है मैं निकल लेती हूँ क्योंकि मैं नहीं कर सकती अपना टाइम वेस्ट. मुझे पता है कि व्हाट आई ऑफर इन अ रिलेशनशिप,
Yeah.
बी इट एनी रिलेशनशिप, बी इट फ्रेंडशिप,
Yeah.
मुझे पता है मैं क्या देती हूँ. मैं अपना पूरा दिल देती हूँ यार. मैं कुछ भी कर लूंगी. बट अगर मुझे सामने से सेम थॉट प्रोसेस भी नहीं मिल रहा या इंटेंशन नहीं मिल रही तो मैं टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करती. मैं बड़ी जल्दी निकल लेती.
Yeah.
तो मैं सिचुएशनशिप्स में एक्चुअली घुसी ही नहीं हूँ. एक बार शायद खुशी थी और जैसी मुझे भनक लगी कल्टी.
But I just feel like this is what we need to learn to not let it become a situationship. If it's not changing from a talking stage to a relationship, then it's not worth it. So take it from that, and if you are in a situationship, just
हाँ, क्यों अपने आप को टॉर्चर करना है?
because ये वो होता है ना कि we can change him, we can fix him.
I've realized that you cannot fall in love with the potential of that person.
Yeah.
You need to love and accept him the way he is right now.
Yeah.
Potential दिखती है तो चेंज करने का मन करता है कि इसमें मैंने हल्का सा दारू पीने के बाद जो देखा था वो अगर हो जाए रोज की जिंदगी में. नहीं होगा. जो रोज की जिंदगी में आपको मिल रहा है वो देखो.
Yeah.
दारू के बाद बोनस है. तो आई थिंक हाँ वो चीज एक्सेप्ट करनी. पहले मुझे भी लगता था. आई थिंक जब मेरा फर्स्ट बॉयफ्रेंड था तो मेरे को भी लगता था मैं बदल दूंगी.
मैं बदल सकती हूँ. And do you know what love bombing means?
कि पहले बहुत सारा प्यार दे दो एंड देन कल्टी.
Yeah, but like मतलब लोग बहुत इसको वो बोलते हैं, नेगेटिव टर्म बोलते हैं कि like love bombing. So you should know कि तुमको किसी से एक हफ्ते में प्यार नहीं हो सकता. You know, I was just telling actually Shivani, my manager, the other day that मैं ये कभी love bombing को as a बुरी thing देख ही नहीं सकती क्योंकि if somebody is telling me that they've fallen in love with me even after knowing 4 days, I know I'm capable of being loved in 4 days. I hear
you, brother. I hear you. I know what you mean.
Yeah, मतलब I am not surprised that
तू गलत बंदी से बात करी है. I am Ali of Doom.
Same bro.
जब मैं देखा शादी बच्चे. God, my friends make fun of me.
Same to same. And then they are like, and now they've stopped taking me seriously only.
हाँ.
Because they're like, yeah, sure.
हमें पता है ये आपका चौथा शिद्दत वाला प्यार.
ये आपका 5th in a week वो अलग है वाला वे है, so it's fine. But moving on to my favorite segment, which is called Pinky Promise. Let's go.
Let's do it.
An overrated film in the recent times in Bollywood.
In Bollywood, an overrated film. यार मुझे काम करना है अभी थोड़ा.
But answer है ना आपके पास?
हाँ है तो.
ठीक. I'll ask you off screen. Next one. A couple you would like to set up in the industry. You can include yourself also.
Set up in the industry. कौन सिंगल बचा है कोई? कौन है सिंगल कौन है तो मेरे को बता.
You are there. Ananya is there. I think Sara is there. Aditya is there.
I think I want to set up Sunny. Maybe with Charvari.
Safe answer, but okay. I didn't know. Good choice. Great. Okay.
They'll make a good pair.
Things you do for Goss and great skin. Okay. A role in the recent times you think you could have done better?
I don't know if, of course, I love Alia. Okay. बहुत मजा आता मुझे गंगूबाई जैसी फिल्म मिल जाती. But I think Alia did a phenomenal job. मुझे बस ऐसी opportunity मिल जाए तो मेरी लॉटरी है.
Okay. We'll manifest it.
Yes.
We have put it out in the universe.
Yes. Mr. Bansali.
A Bollywood rumor that's true.
कौन से तूने सुने हैं? मैं बता देती हूँ if that is true or not.
There was a Reddit rumor apparently that Sara Ali Khan is going to get married by this year.
ये मुझे पता नहीं है, तो I don't know if it's true or not. कुछ rumor नहीं,
Say no, say.
नहीं.
You can just say it's a rumor and you don't have to tell me if it's true or not.
There's a rumor that I might be doing a Yash Raj project soon.
I have heard that you're doing a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film soon. So we just hope
I
that
just hope.
both of these are true. But no one's taking a shot in
क्योंकि
this
हम दोनों
round.
के
Yeah.
हाँ,
It's
बीच
fine.
में, हाँ.
ठीक है. Okay. A role you regret passing or doing?
I don't regret any role that I've done. I couldn't envision on paper was Bulbul. When it came to me, I read it, and when I saw it, it was another film.
Yeah.
And मुझे लगा कि उस time पे मैंने खुद से पूछा कि मुझे ये क्यों नहीं दिखा?
Yeah.
That taught me a lot about myself, about how I read scripts, and जो लिखा होता है वो क्या translate करता है. तो I think उस time पे मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा वो लगा कि वाह मेरी आँखें खुल गई.
Okay. Another one. I'm losing this. ये वाला तो आप आंसर नहीं कर पाओगे.
ये क्या बात हुई यार?
That's my game. I also want you to have
क्या
either.
बात है यार?
Okay. Lastly, an overrated actor.
And overrated, underrated बता दी.
दोनों बता दो, but वही है, half answer मत
तो
बताना.
half shot feeling. I think underrated मैं हूँ.
Yeah.
And overrated के लिए मैं short पी लेती हूँ.
Overrated film और overrated actor मैं off screen पूछ लूँगी.
Underrated मेरे को और काम करना है.
It's fine. Okay, that was.
आधा पिया मैंने.
That's fine. That's fine.
मैंने आधा आंसर दिया.
वो पार्ट का वैसे क्वेश्चन भी नहीं था, आपने खुद underrated वो करके.
घुमा लेती हूँ ना मैं फिर बातों को.
It's fine. Moving on to rapid fire next.
Lovely.
What would you like to steal from the following co-stars of yours? Akshay Kumar,
सुबह जल्दी उठना है यार.
Sanya Malhotra.
Dance moves.
Agreed. Sunny.
Sunny, his eyes.
Yeah.
The way he looks at the person who he loves.
Yeah, very shiddat se.
Very shit.
Irfan sir.
His craft.
Agreed. Kareena.
The self-love.
And Dimple Kapadia.
I think her ability of being a student.
If you would like to give a truth serum to anybody in the industry, who would you give it to and what would you ask?
I would actually give it to a lot of directors and producers and ask them that क्या आप सच में फील करते हो अपने आर्टिस्ट के बारे में जिसके आपने पिक्चर बनाई है वो सच है आपने सिर्फ बिजनेस एस्पेक्ट से ले लिया है उन्हें.
Got it. Top 3 songs in your heartbreak playlist.
दिल जुड़े बिना ही टूट गए. One is that तन्हाई.
OG.
And कलंक नहीं इश्क है.
Agreed. And also अगर तुम साथ हो.
That's
Cannot.
No bro, no. Damn.
Yeah, very hits home. Okay. Delhi's momos or Mumbai's vada pav?
Delhi's momos.
Okay. The most DU thing / Delhi thing about you is?
चलते चलते सेव पूड़ी, उसके साथ मैगी, उसके साथ चाय, फिर मोमोज मिल गया तो मोमोज. कुछ है ही नहीं. टेस्ट बड्स को कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा.
Agreed. One thing people don't know about you.
One thing they don't know about a lot of things. जितनी मैं मेरे खून में गोविंदा, सबको लगता है मैं बड़ी सीरियस एक्टर हूँ. आप नस काटो, आप देखो मुझे. गोविंदा.
Blood group is Govinda positive.
Yes.
Got it. Something that's an instant turn on and a turn off.
Instant turn off is if they're sensitive and empathetic. Turn off is when they just talk about themselves.
And does the pressure of social media get to you?
नहीं. Starting में हाँ. But अभी हो गया. अभी मैं सिर्फ cringy reels देखने जाती हूँ.
I love it. Do you know about Lucky, Sifali, Rachna, the videos?
Dude, I have followed them from the beginning. Sifali, चलो थोड़ी सी शादी करके आते हैं.
Bro, I love it. And you know, I love it. And I am in a long distance best friendship with my friend who's in London. And we keep referring to each other as Sifali and Rachna. And she just picks up and she's like, हाँ Sifali बोल, and हाँ Rachna बोल. And that's what she comments under my posts also, Sifali looking good.
Dude,
and it's
too good.
It's amazing.
Too good. Sifali is my favorite.
Favorite.
But now they're overdoing
it. Now randomly they'll...
मटका
yeah.
Now they're overdoing it. They had it going good. जहाँ पर हमें मजे आते थे, अब उनको पता है कि ये बिक रहा है, तो now they're acting.
Overacting. थोड़ा कम करो guys. Okay. And what type of content are you consuming currently?
Because you know how much I love cringe. I love watching these dating shows on Netflix. Too Hot to Handle, Love is Blind, Perfect Match. जितने भी ले आओ मतलब ऐसे कि जिसमें दिमाग है नहीं है कुछ भी हो.
I wanted to watch something cringe, not use my brain at all. I started watching Splitsvilla, and like this season, I was watching it, and I literally told in my work group that, guys, you know what, this has happened, this is the goss. And there are two people sitting, and this guy is accusing her ex that I spent so much money on you, I took you to that Dubai trip, and you know what she says? Wasn't that a brand collab? and I died laughing. I was like, this is
Oh, I love it. I
this is
love
peak
it.
content.
What season was this?
15, the current one.
I'll go watch it.
Please do. It's
I
crazy.
also saw this one. What is this? अरे that show है कौन सा island?
Temptation
Temptation Island.
Yeah. And the thing is, the weird thing is that they will put like that cutesy romantic music. Like अगर हम अभी बात करें तो हम obviously एक दूसरे को देख के बात करेंगे.
Ting ting ting.
Yeah.
ting.
And then they'll put that इश्क वाला love का वो क्यों editor please do it. अभी हम जो बात कर रहे हैं clip टंग 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 bro देख के ही तो बात करेंगे एक दूसरे से. And everybody has the same intro. What would your Splitsvilla intro or whatever dating app intro be?
मैं नहीं कर सकती यार मैं
I
तो.
know you can't, but like you shouldn't also.
अच्छा मेरा dating app
hypothetically.
intro हम एक बार जीते हैं एक बार मरते हैं शादी भी एक बार होती है
और प्यार.
प्यार भी है ऐसे ऐसे बोल के 2 बार प्यार करके 2 बार शादी
Yes,
करती है मतलब.
done. ठीक है, perfect. And a celebrity who will always pick up your call, and you have to call them. So answer wisely.
Oh God, Sanya is in Melbourne right now. She usually picks up my call. बड़ी बेइज्जती हो जाएगी. मैं पहले से बता रही हूँ Melbourne में यार. There's another person I can call, but I don't want to call. Sanya यार तेरे को मैं देख लूँगी.
Yeah, and lastly, a Bollywood comfort watch for you. Can be give me
अंदाज़
both.
अपना-अपना.
Yeah, but that's an actually a good like that's a good film. Give me a cringe watch also.
Cringe watch. मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ.
I love it.
Auntie!
That is the kind of energy I have at 3 a.m. in the morning for no reason.
Same.
Yeah, and everybody like shits on that movie, but I love it. Like
I love that film.
Yeah.
उसमें आपको दिख जाएगा कि एक एक एक्सप्रेशन दिखा इंटरनलाइजेशन जोड़ दो.
it's such OTT and like Kareena also going like अरे उसको दिख नहीं रहा सामने वालों को by the way कि वो बस ये कर रही है
वो भी तो ऐसे कर रहे हैं.
हाँ
यार,
true
वो
वो भी
क्या
वैसे
film
कर रहे हैं. Love it. I love Om Shanti Om is not cringe but I love that part also like वाह क्या acting कर रहा है.
एक्टिंग कर रहा है.
वाह क्या acting कर रहा है.
दीवाने हुए पागल आवारा पागल दीवाना अब आर्किटेक्ट शार्प आईज.
Love it, but this was so much fun.
सेम
Thank you so much for doing this. I feel like this talking stage will become into a really nice female friendship girls goal.
ब्रदर.
And we'll just and anyway हमारा थोड़ा वो पीतमपुरा
वो
vibes
तो
हो
है
गए
तू
हैं.
गुलाब के गोलगप्पे ले आ फिर मैं
Done.
बन
लेके
गई
आने
थी.
चाहिए था. Shit. But
Next time.
for sure. But thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you.
We'll see you in the next episode. And till then, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you later. Bye.
Hi, this is Radhika Madan and you're watching me on iDiva.